In this video, I'm going to be showing you JungleScout's Academy training for Amazon sellers. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every product that JungleScout offers. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you're going to go to junglescout.com and then you're simply going to log in. Once you're logged in the bottom left corner, you're going to have access to something that says Academy, and this is where the magic happens. They do have Academy videos that are not on YouTube, they're not anywhere right now, and they're from the CEO and then some partial owners in the company, which is really great. So you can see, welcome to the Academy, competitive intelligence. So this is pretty much utilizing their new tool, which is AI. So if you have access to the AI tool, you can review these videos and how it can help you, which is really nice. But this is where a lot of the videos come in, is this selling on Amazon A to Z. So it shows you how to get started on Amazon now and product research directly from the CEO of JungleScout. And I reviewed these videos and they are pretty decent. It's like a little mini school. They really did make it like a school, right? So it's awesome and they know what they're doing. Choose a product to sell, searching, criteria. It's short and sweet and very well edited. So I do like these videos. More people should be talking about this. Sourcing your product, getting started with Seller Central. And then this is something that nobody talks about as well, is the shipping, right? So if you're shipping internationally, what about sea? What about air? Do you know what a freight forwarder is? Do you know the import process? What about the packaging and labeling, which is something clients ask all of the time? And freight forwarders are so important and a lot of people don't use them. So a lot of these videos are essential. I can easily tell that whoever made these videos at JungleScout is an Amazon seller themselves and is a multi-million-dollar Amazon seller. Because just having the shipping videos, I could see that they know what they're doing. So selling internationally, another thing, that Europe. It only talks about Europe and North America, but still for expansion to Europe, that is pretty cool. And then of course, JungleScout tool tutorials. So how to use JungleScout tool tutorials. Another thing that is really good is going to be the recorded live trainings, which again, I haven't heard of. A lot of these sellers are real big. And we can see the mastermind sourcing. We even have one with Stephen Pope, Carly, Brian Connolly, a lot of different good guys on here that are with JungleScout, and you can see their live trainings, which is pretty awesome. More webinars, so you can have wholesaling, low cost private label, Amazon success story. So a lot of these are legit things that you can look at. So I think the Academy is going to be a really good tool that you can use if you already have JungleScout that maybe you don't know about. So if you are using JungleScout, definitely check it out. Now, if we're staying towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every tool that JungleScout offers. So we already talked about Academy. For the developer, it's infinite ways to build a JungleScout API. So this looks like it's for coders, so you can actually change things in the tools. Very interesting. We have the Chrome extension right here, which is one of my favorite tools that I use on a regular basis. Then we have the Manage Products tab. This is pretty much to help you manage your inventory, your products. So you have your inventory manager here. You can put your product costs in. You can put FBA reimbursement. So if you ship inventory into Amazon and they lose it, listing builder to improve your listing. And then of course, if you put everything in for your products, JungleScout's going to sync all of your Amazon ads fees, all of the fees that Amazon's charging you, any hidden fees, and they're going to give you a profit overview and how much you're actually making. Next is going to be the profit and loss statement. So that's going to be really essential if you're ever trying to sell your business or just making sure that your business is profitable after factoring all of Amazon's fees. Other transactions, ad analytics, review automation. You can see with this review tool, we've been getting pretty much 4-star reviews and we've saved over 13 hours with this tool. Can't complain about that. Keyword optimization. Suppliers, so actually finding suppliers for your products if you wanted to launch them. Huge plethora of product research tools. And then of course you have the AI tool. So there's a lot of different tools. If you were interested in getting JungleScout, there's a link in the description with a discount automatically filled in if you click the link. and I hope that helps. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with tool management, Amazon listing optimization, increasing your sales, advertising, counterfeit removal, whatever it is, if it's regarding Amazon, we specialize in it, and you can contact us at ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.